Hey guys, I'm Guy. Welcome back to Guy vs Nature. Today we'll be surviving out in the Arctic Tundra. I am wearing two jackets because it is very chilly. Haha. The tundra is a dangerous place. However, my name is Guy. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we're out here in the tundra and it is very chilly like I said. I might even need to wear another jacket. Haha. So of course we need to find food, water, and shelter. However, in the tundra food and unfrozen water is very scarce. I shall look around and scavenge. Alright guys, so I did not find food but I found a burning building. I'm going to attempt to use it as a campfire. Let's do this. Secret technique. Repetition side step. Alright, so I successfully salvaged the house and it is now my campfire. As I am sitting here, I am thinking that wow, the tundra is very white and pretty, almost like LA. So here is my campfire and temporary shelter. I shall move out once I have warmed up and strong enough to go out and look for food. Man, I am hungry. I could go for a pizza right now. Haha.
Бомбы. Вертолета поддержка в готовности. Остоприем для мишени.
Guys, I heard gunshots and I smell vodka. It must be the Russians. They think I'm some sort of animal. I might have no choice here but to fight. Okay guys, so I have taken shelter in a nearby cave. The Russians have me cornered. The only thing I can do now is fight my way out of this. Don't try this at home. Haha.
Заряжаю взрывчатку.
Alright, so I defeated all the Russians. They dropped this calorie item, so I shall eat it for supper. Alright, so I am searching for water and look what I found. A fresh bottle of orange juice out in the open. If you are ever stuck in the tundra, this is just the situation you need. I will catch this thing with a very strategic move. Watch this and take notes if you are ever in the tundra. Haha. Secured. This is what it takes to survive in the wild. I love orange juice. Haha. Okay guys, I found a couple of supplies that I will use to make shelter. I shall record the entire thing so you know exactly what to do when you are in a survival situation like this. Okay guys, so I am inside the shelter. It is quite dark outside, so I shall go to sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. I hear my airplane outside. This is all on Guy vs Nature episode 3. See you in the next one.